Harengete hasiasa kurwase kaunti ya Nyamira buno mureketo job mange aberega kuarigania century yobime tigatumurikira ari bona gende tokolekana chinse mo chinde bono maiga yogosiria ko gimabwaye omotakanwa oyo mektabuna mukami Kimathi oyo kabere mu rugo ya Dedan Kimathi oyo bono temete kurwandira obosibole bwense ya Kenya chingwa kichia mau ni gobone serikali rechimbero kuligia omubere Dedan Kimathi eri bono bachikoene gwa amono mu rugo ye anchinga kemerobelere kirane ayaniga gocha asekeriyo murugyo yo manyakanete bona mukami Kimathi aberega kuligyo mubiri bumosacho yanyare ko yoenia ase myaka yonse atanya ko yonyora bona barayi kurwa sensemo ane konensemo ya Mount Kenya ni gobagania serikali kumgetambukero na kuligyo mubiri Dedan Kimathi libachi koini wa muno mongno ichinga kichyomo yega wa matango muliketo dipona sanya na mange.
Serikali yensi ya Kenya nigo yamurerero omong'ina nyagusira mukami Kimathi oyurenge omong'ina abo yamo bari barwanirete obosibole bwensi ya Kenya bamanyekanite na mau Dedan Kimathi ase abarai aho bakorawa n'umurai bwense gutuma magombo gochese family yeye asomo konyo irigathi Gachagua anyara kwene kianga serikali neche kubwaterana ne family eliyo kwene kianga emirobire yonsi yokweni gwakwae kwabeire okuya.
For those of us who are conversant with this struggle, we want to say it's a very great loss, because all of us have been rallying behind Mukami as our mother and as a symbol of our resilience and our struggle. And we therefore want to say that the family is assured of government support during the preparation of the burial itself, and thereafter as we proceed on.
Nyagusira ni gasira kabwate myaka 95 nomo asasire nyagitare ya moime yo mucho Nairobi abo tukobogo kira rero asabagotebanga ni gatware to muchando bugosinyako yana kukwerirete amakweli aya. Amathe ya Kimathi amane serikali bono nigo bang'ero botuki kurigio mubere onyagusira Dedan Kimathi elio onyare koretwa na gutinde kwanka asabagotebanga korwa baigwete nga ogosira kwa beire mbamanyeti asatindegetwe.
Lived her life with fortitude and consistency. Never at one time did she change the ideals which she stood for and which even her late husband Dedan Kimathi was surely stood for. And further, I want to say that I believe firmly that it is still possible. Committee is not a whole country. It's a small place. It is still possible, probably with the support of the British government, to identify the actual place where Dedan Kimathi is buried. We exhume the remains of Dedan Kimathi, and as we bury Mukami Kimathi, we should have two coffins, that one of Mukami Kimathi and that one of Dedan Kimathi. May our Almighty God